this ad popped up while I was watching the live. Oh, do you guys get it? It's my birthday, so the company brought me a cake, and I came to greet you. I came from practice, or my face wasn't in great. Popped up right away. This is happy birthday. Well, happy birthday. Thank you for congratulating me in so many languages from all. Well, these days I've been preparing for a concert, so I haven't had much time to eat. Seriously, I've been preparing for 2 concerts, so it's really tiring. Listen, wait. Oh, see Brazil. Oh, I'm looking forward to Brazil. Seems fun. I'm ready. Losing research. Yeah, my close activity for me. Thank you. My side isn't that good, so I have to skip the comments and just look at this. Oh, I hate getting older, but my teacher isn't all that happy. Oh. Haircut, but it was a bit too long. Going back. Okay, let's see. Ah, thank you so much for your thing. But since this 3 has to be done first, so the staff members prepared a really great event. Me? Happy birthday. Happy birthday to my beloved Mickey. Ah, thank you. I think it's with you all. Yes, the staff members congratulated me earlier. But honestly, it's not easy when so many people are congratulating me like that. For someone like me, it's easy. Preparing for the comeback show and at the same time, so I don't have much time. It's really not. This time, you can really look forward to both the comeback show and the concert. Oh, yesterday or 2 days ago, I was watching a baseball game and there was a Netflix commercial. So the event will be live, but for those who can't make it, it'll be fun to watch. So there are 11 days left until the album release. So it hasn't even been too. When I think about it like that, time really flies. Really, it flies. Did I lose weight? I've lost a lot of weight right now. I'm at 59 kilos right now. Some people say it's Ramadan and they're fat. But I think Ramadan is when you can eat after it's over, right? That's probably it. I'm almost done with my first meat. Let's share it. Yoongi, today's my birthday. There are a lot of people who have the same birthday as me. Will broadcast be really? No, I have to go practice again, so I can't talk about my trip today. Come back in a bit while I'm doing. Well, I have a comeback show coming up soon, so I have a lot to prepare right now. So I have to go back. There's no tang in here. Well, I don't have anything to do today, so I'll have to start the live broadcast. Practice. If I practice for a long time, I'm a little tired. I'm sleepy. now, so if I get exactly 2 million, I'll do another live concert. My album is coming out soon, so I'm starting to catch up. Youngie. I'll be back to say hello to Jungkook again. Oh, there will probably be a lot going on. It won't be long now. Everyone, stay healthy until then. See you soon.